Alright guys, what's up? 2021 Sherco SEF 300. So just want to share a little information here. These spark plugs can be a pain to get out on these. Obviously they're a pain on a lot of four strokes, but on these Shercos, a little more of a pain. I'll show you how I do it. First of all, you need a 16 millimeter socket, a deep well. So I only had that in a 1/2 inch. So I've got a couple adapters on here. But I'm actually going to put this in, but it works the same way for taking it out. So I'll just drop the plug down in there, and then I'll drop my socket down in there. So obviously I'm tightening it up now, but to take it out, what I'll do is I'll just put this little universal joint. See if I can get it on there while still holding my camera. Okay, so I've got that, and then you can make it work with either extension. I'll probably just do the long one here. So yeah, I've got 16 millimeter socket into an adapter, into another adapter, into a universal joint with an extension, and that gives me enough points that I can disconnect, that I can fit everything out from around the frame there. So if you have a setup like that, shouldn't have any trouble. One other thing to keep in mind is when you are removing the plug and you have to take the, first you'll be taking this extension off, and then you'll pull the universal joint off, and then your socket and your spark plug will still be down in the head. So have a magnet handy, and you just stick this down there, and it'll get your socket, pull it out, and then you stick it down in there, and it'll grab your spark plug and pull it out. And it's kind of just a strategy I've used on a lot of different four strokes over the years if I didn't have the exact spark plug removal tool from the manufacturer. I'm sure Sherco probably makes something to make the job a little easier with one tool, but I don't have that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.